A Chinese national, allegedly a big-time casino roller, is facing various criminal charges filed by the Pasay City Police. Let's hear again from Noel Perfecto.
Pasay City Police Chief Renz Ortilla assured that casino big-time roller Jerry Sago C will not escape the 5 cases filed against him, namely illegal possession of explosives, illegal possession of high-powered firearms and ammunition, illegal possession of assorted knives, and a charge of murder after C stabbed another casino player at the resort hotels in Pasay City. Although C has yet to give a Colonel Ortilla is confident that the casino player will sure be sued on the said cases.
Number 1, yung illegal possession of firearms, yung 5 barrel na na-confiscate sa kanya with silencer, napailan natin siya ng RA 10591. Yung pangalawa naman, yung explosive low natin na 95 RA 9516. 3 improvised grenade and more or less no bail to. Pangatlo, yung attempted murder ng complainant na sasaksakin siya. Pang-4, yung mga bladed deadly weapons. At pang-5, yung nakuwang sa kanya, shabu and with shabu paraphernalia ng Section 11 and 12.
C was arrested by authorities after trying to stab a bodyguard of a casino player because of an alleged misunderstanding between C and the casino player. Besides high-powered firearms, assorted knives, spikes, hand and smoke grenades, prohibited drugs, and shabu, the police also recovered and seized different identities, 4 mobile phones, and assorted credit and ATM cards.
Sa mga ebidensya nakuha natin, so tingin ko napakalakas na to based on the information and mga statement na nakuha natin sa complainant, ating kapulisan, sa mga security guards ng Resort World, and we are just waiting for the CCTV footage para patibayin na yung sasakyan na nakuha sa kanya, yung Honda Accord, ay siya talaga ang nagdadrive.
For the People's Television, I'm Noel Perfect.